endless possibilities.
TV for ne yahwefo nyina anopeye mu bia achinsron kokra eba na wohwefo fra nyankopon ayadom ama yaba behyemin megidi se bebia wo bia nso no nyame adom nti ohoye an menso me hoye pa mema wakwa aba mesrɛ so waba na afei watena se ade ama me pe konwa bi natena so na yemfa morning mix dwumedie no yemfa emrew fra wadamfo fra wonua fra wodofo bi na ka kire ne se Coastal TV morning mix dwumedie no ye de ahyehye so fefefe nti omomodin se obeba abehwe bi ane omfa na fidie no ento eye digital channel 514 na efe nso so kita smartphone a onhwehwe ye e wo Facebook ene YouTube say oko Facebook na say type Coastaltv Capecoast nsa beka ye ewo ho na say oko YouTube so na say type Coastaltv Capecoast nka ho Coastaltv nko a eno so obenya ye ewo YouTube na yene no ache morning mix dwumede mi se emane empare ho de biara aseda kese no yemfa ma otumfo nyankopon na dom na wama bibia aye fefefe nko a de wo se ye de aseda no yede ma no aseda bi me wo ho no so enkoma wo a wo hweye wo hweye wo fie wo hweye wo ka mu wo hweye wo nam kwan ho kwa adwuma na so pose wo dwu adwuma mu na wo hweye no yeda ase pa bomode ana ma wa fidie no ma wo YouTube channel Facebook channel no enkoso a enda Coastal TV na yesanso fast dey di hon so emma ya boafo aso ya sensa no pay ye mesna ha ne emfa morning mezumedie no ye emfa mrew nti aseda enkoma National Petroleum Authority NPA na aseda ne bi nso enko emma Patmo Print aseda ne bi mu nso enko emma Diesel Gift Shop na afei Nesto Ventures yada ya boafo yi ase sanopay omaso ya se ne the morning mezumedie no ebre ye tiefo ene yahwefo newly improved fefefe kra in fact fufro kra merchant tie rubber na week ye de share say happy new week baby I will be answer no me ma happy new week. All right, and then no yemfa a inspirational message and motivational message no yemfa and share ase ene na in fact ye de share edana say ye wen so na san so e de share week na say what you say. All right, and then no anopay me person me no eche asem very simple and short and straight here ai na me pa cho say ukita bible say o bible no ewo wo phone so say eye hard copy o pa cho bi na yenkenkan bibi kakra ewo Philippians chapter 4 verse 6 asem bi wo ha ye me de pa na no pay me person me no che Yanko Philippians chapter 4 verse 6. All right. I said, do not be anxious about anything, but in everything by prayer and petition with thanksgiving, present your request to God. May kind be. Philippians chapter 4 verse 6. Philippians chapter 4 verse 6. I say, Do not be anxious about anything. Do not be anxious about anything. But in everything, by prayer and petition, with thanksgiving, present your request to God. Se me cheche mu kakra me ate ase a opese o kan hye se anopai no wiki bosumi no afi ni aka kakra wo yenimu no ema wo yemu nhihye wo efa bibia ho menya yem hihye e wo bibia ho na emom no ade nyina mu konkoto dwenim ohun na fa wo disrade na fa enase enso ka ho ahan na ma wade hia ade eda wakoma so bibia ehia ono fa to nyankopon anim wote ase enti week no me mpesa mehu ana meti ana se obeye worried about anything ama wo yemu nhihye wo efa bibia ho anamon bia wo betu adwen bia wo befa bibia wo beye no ama wo yemu nhihye wo na emom no ade nyina mu no kwa wonkoto dwanim e wo nyankopon anim na fa wade srede na fa to nanim oye saa no so no na ode enase e de ema no what ase because bible no kra me ate ase say ade nyina mu yemfa aseda ema nyankopon say ye say nye say koye san koye say achia say bu say tene ni nyina ose yemfa aseda emfa manyankopon enti no bibie mu no ema wo yem hyehye wo hwe ho ema wo yem hyehye wo e wo hwe ena ema wo yem hyehye wo e wo ho na emom no ade nyina mu no yenko yenkotodwa ni wo mpaebom na yenhu ni se yenyankopon na yesom no no ai bibie mu no obedi amaye obeko amaye nti wo se yede yade srede ye yakoma so ade yede tu nanim e wo enase mu what I say ewo nase mu nti anope we na me pese ye de hye edanase na efei ye de hye week no so ase kan wu se nyakopon oma ojuani ndi a oma adepampo encho nti sade a che won kwa de ma wo yem hyehye ewo hwe ho ma wo yem hyehye wo hwe ho bbf bibia be fine all right nti no me gidi se bebia wo bia nso no wanya nkranhye bi na yede ahye eda no so ase makanisa no na yenje aboafo nkrato na afi yenti enwum se ba ya okase bo mienu miensa bi yede besu yesiefo ene yahwefo nyina enim nti manyi we fidie no emfri Coastal TV ye kwa abasese a
We sell gift shop, a place you can rely on. You call on us and we will deliver. Thank you.
National Petroleum Authority say, Mawo bambo hu hia ukane. Ain't no, stay back and stay safe. National Petroleum Authority ebo bibia kokose se fuel tank enya akwanhia na edane a menko ho nkwaye wadwen se okosesa petrol ana fango no na afin so menye wadwen se wo ben fuel tank enya akwanhia ne ho akwa akodwetwa videos ana pictures na petrol ana fango wo hwen so ohua ko wo mu a enye sunsun aso bone e wo apomeden sem so fango so eho ahometinti no enfom so okitu ebi ebetumi amaja tom amana gise ewom eba ne saa nipa dodo timi femu hihye ehwe mo nkwa emeja pade dodo na nso esei eno nti memfa won nkwa nto chacha enye saa obenu ho nkwa na nyina se wo se fuel tank bi enya akwanhia na adane amafango no ebugu mpa hwa na wa aman ho da. Stay back and stay safe. Emomo no aya fredum je jumayefo ana posifo no mo mehwe nso ano wutumi nso efre National Petroleum Authority ewo 0302 550 380 kaise wonkwa wo hoi ehu hia bebre esensa afango no kokoboi National Petroleum Authority ene de bro.
One in me kono huote soso. But they can be bigger than my God. On our time in the dust. But they can never be greater than you, Lord. Eradi ma home in the swear. Don't marry me, makuya none. Papa, show them that you are God. Father, show them. Jesus, show them that you are God. Oh, my Father, show them that I'm known. Jesus, show them that you are God. My Father, show them. Jesus, show them. Father, show them that you are God. Plenty who made hey, what in Crantani, a giant bamisua, don't marry me, my woman is swear. Mama, show them that you are God. My Father, show them. Jesus, show them. Father, show them that you are God. Show them that you are God. Show them that you are that you are God, yeah. Many are waiting to see the end of this matter. I'm waiting to hear the end of my story. Everybody what can I share and show? I so me do what I see a chiraman son say over to me a Jimmy feel how be emo. Every day dio papa, what can I share the ubeo? To me a bisami nami asio, but to me a bisami jifu asidia. My Father, come down, show them that you are God. Father, show them. Jesus, show them that you are God. My Father, show them. Jesus, show them. Jesus, show them. Show you there they are. Father, show them that you are God.
Kame hona anope yemfa kasebo ba ko miensa kan ofia se no yemfa ento manim in fact yenyina yenche na ene anopa kasebo no ensema obete ebi enise Ghana Education Service GES ade krata bi apie mountain so na de ne wo krata nim yebekọ ne akenkan bi amamahu ne ekoso sanso ena omampen John Dramani Mahama ene nimpemfo atenase aye reshuffle ewo ministerial appointees no emu na hwan na ekohefa na hwan so na etna hefa na yebebo so amamahu ne ekoso ewo eho no so anopa yebekọ akopie mu ewo adwaman so ne yahwefi wo price ahodo so a ewo ho nti bo modern se onsesan we video no emfree Coastal TV digital channel no 514 Yeshase ana yeshase efi Ghana Education Service Council no akache na omode krata bi apie emonten so mokai se ebeto odwa se efiti afia ekono de se graduation ceremony akese ayeye no ewo school no yetwam esane se ebane saa na mpemfo de omani atofoma ehu se awofo binom eho na omokire se omo wosika eho na omokire se omo wo bi ankasa ewo fie nti wo behwe na we atoka amane we na we aye party chechirenche nti wo maame ana wo papa ntimi antoka ama anaso se ya anye party amfa ama wo ne de na chese wo no wonya bi kra wo no wonka ho wotinchen baby eno na mpemfo bi hwe ya no muhu se we emwa emma disua enkoso emwa emma emmofra enye mmofra eba ne sanso ana ekwa akofa jealousy bi e de aba adisuafo no mpomu anhwe mpa na obi de ani bresa na in fact akwa akofa ye ne se oye ntine saa de na natin tontan yetwam eno na Ghana Education Service esanso de krata apie mountain so se ne ebeya periperi ye eni pefe ye ebeda edinti no krata omudi apie mountain no kire se efiti enne ekono de wo bia wo ye owofo wo bia wo ye churcheni ankrankro wo ye asukuni anaso se religious bodies district education directors anaso se mpemfo amohwe district nwomesua so ene stakeholders kan traditional leaders community leaders ene mu amoka bia eyeye ewo nwomesua mu no krata yi eye krata ababonten kire efiti na ekwo wo bia wo benya krata no na wa hye ne so se yate committee bia eno no eba be ye nhwehwemu ewo sa graduation a ye twam yi emu no se na be ya pefe ye ebeda edinti no nti se wo ye ne mawo so yi nyina bi na se wonya krata ya no ahu ne se sa committee ebeba wo nan so ebeba wo nchen in fact on be release questionnaire bi agumframam internet online yi so se na ebe ya wo bia wo nsa be ka bi no obebo modern na wa fail sa questionnaire no ana so se wa masa information na omuhia no nti we no information gathering na eba beboa amasa graduation na yetwami ye hu ni se ne kwan so ano no ana so se ye de ba na ye regulation wo mu a eno no ebeboa nti bo modern se obehye ne so se wo ya nkronkra wo ya wofo we are adisuani we are religious body organizations stakeholders bia mu wachafa ewo education enwomesua mu de momomoden na monhye ne so saa emfa emma ye Sally Abena Bafi Frimpon Mrs. ono ena ye secretary emma saa committee sanso ena chairman oda committee ye anono eye professor Yao Nyadu Ofei ena omonsa hye sa krata ya se a omode ababeto omanfo anim Mayentu aso ewo ensem fufromu omampanyin John Dramani Mahama ene na pamfo abomoden aye bibi friend say reshuffle na chese yasesem ewo eye ministerial appointees no emu enti minister we ye de nakwa minister we ye de nakwa kosia minister we ye de nakwa ha sei enwuma na omo ye enti no we no eye nsesan kakra aba na mpanyinfo a eka sa ministerial appointees reshuffle yi ho no eye Mame Zenato Rollins ono ene owura Gilbert Ejay Sanso ena Mahama Ayariga enso edin ewom na sa wohwe mfonyini a ye kire ewo screens yi so ya Dr. Zenato Ajiman Rollins ono ena yabo ni din se omameye Ministry of Environment, Science and Technology esoafo. Sanso ena Mahama Ayariga nso yeso wonko eye Ministry of Local Government, Chieftaincy and Religious Affairs. Na ne ediswenso eye reassignment na chese omo minister position dada na emom ne yi omafiri ho so omo nkọ baby foforo nti se wo hwa eye Honorable Kenneth Gilbert Ejay yesi onko ye eye onko Ministry of Defense na onko hye eye the late Dr. Omane Buama onko hye na nemu sanso ana opanyimpa Ahmed Ibrahim no ana na eda Ministry of Local Government, Chieftaincy and Religious Affairs no anono yesi won free ho na efei onko Ministry of Works, Housing and Water Resources enti we any ministerial shuffler Mampeyin John Dramani Mahama abodin se omu mpeyinfo nhwe na enkoso na meka mpeyinfo a na mekire se yabo omudin de na emum ewose emrahye bedwam ede omu nsa hye ase ewose omrahye bedwam etena so na omudin hu abobo no mo hwe se we no eye anaso se enye anaso se nsesan bi wo ho a ombepese ombeye anaso se ombeye ne saa ede ama Ghana fo enti se ameno ka se de enche parliament ebetena so emrahye bedwam ebetena so no mahwe se we nko we na we nso tena ha eyeye na we ne yede no ko ha eyeye enti no yabo omudin de na emum no yenya enje wo mu entum nti fahye utirimu saa. Alright, afei kame hona yenko edwaman so na yenko nkwohwe enne eye the 10th of August 2026 no fuel prices ahodo a ewo ho no kame ho na afei yemfa ento wenim anopai sa ukwohwe filling station bia na sa ukasa ukọ top petrol 1 liter ebo no eye 16 cedis 29 pesos sanso ena diesel no eye 17 cedis 49 pesos go filling station ma petrol 1 liter ne bo no eye 15 cedis 99 pesos so ena diesel no eye 17 cedis 26 pesos ukopiemu ewo Star Oil eso a petrol 1 liter eye 15 cedis 57 pesos sanso ena diesel no eye 18 cedis 97 pesos then filling station ma petrol ne bo no eye 15 cedis 20 pesos ena diesel no eye 16 cedis 46 pesos. Sauba mode na ukopiemu ewo JP filling station na and also petrol boy eye 14 cedis 53 pesos and a diesel no eye 16 cedis 97 pesos. Frames oil and also Frames filling station and my petrol ebo no eye 14 cedis 16 me share 15 pesos. And a diesel no 17 cedis 35 pesos. Total filling station and so say petrol boy a 13 cedis 99 pesos and a diesel no a 15 cedis 95 pesos. Ukopiemu ewa Benab filling station so petrol 1 liter no e boy no 13 cedis 80 pesos. And a diesel no 16 cedis 27 pesos. Na Pacific filling station and so ebema petrol 1 year 12 cedis 79 pesos and a diesel no a 15 cedis 98 pesos. Petrol cell and so say petrol 1 liter a 11 cedis 98 pesos and a diesel no a 12 cedis 98 pesos. Filling stations are who do be na eka we hu asa obo mode na okọ cityrate.com ubenya na ode aye wa hoboa ha ne de kapse boni nyina ebeba no ewie na yenkomra ne mfa nsam foforo nso wo ho no yemfa ento omanfo anim.
sell gift shop, a place you can rely on. You call on us and we will deliver. Thank you.
National Petroleum Authority say, Mawabambo hu hia ukane. Ain't no, stay back and stay safe. National Petroleum Authority ebo bibia kokose se fuel tank enya akwanhia na edane menko ho nkwaye wadwen se okosesa petrol ana fango no na afin so menye wadwen se wo ben fuel tank enya akwanhia ne ho akwa akodwetwa videos ana pictures na petrol ana fango wo hwen so ohua ko wo mu a enye sunsu aso bone e wo apomeden sem so fango so eho ahometinti no enfom so akitu ebi ebetumi amaja tom amana gise ewom eba ne saa nipa dodo timi femu hyehye ehwe mo nkwa emeja pade dodo na nso esei eno nti memfa won nkwa nto chacha enye saa obenu ho nkwa na nyina se wo se fuel tank bi enya akwanhia na adane amafango no ebugu mpa sha na wa aman ho da. Stay back and stay safe. Emomo no aya fredum je jumayefo ana posifo no mo mehwe nso ano wutumi nso efre National Petroleum Authority ewo 0302 550 380 kaise wonkwa wo hoi eho hia bebre esensa afango no kokoboi National Petroleum Authority ene de bro.
us now. Nana, yes, we are about that. Yes, we are yes, we are about that. Yes, we are wonderful. Okay, send me saying, also, can I use the about the academy? He attacked fancy. Another one. Then we will go to Amazon again. Oh, see, yes, we are about that. Yes, we are yes, we ain't bad there. Kojo, yes, we ain't bad there. À cette fois, mais c'est yes, we ain't bad there. Yes, we ain't bad there. Charles. Missy, yes, he ain't about that. Missy, yes, he ain't about that. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Everybody, yes, he ain't about that. One more time, yes, he ain't about that.
Ni edi hono so yento aso na efe yemfa de ubon krata no pe yensa kana no pe no yemfa emmesumu na no mi hu nema bebre e wo headlines ne so nema bebre na wo headlines ne so and one thing now me gidi say ye be hu in most of the headlines no something about cocoa bill, something about cocoa bill. So before say ye be ko news panim no me pesa me kan bibi wa say na me chehye oniema ni so ansana ye the newspaper no aba. Okay, enti no parliament age new bill foforo atumu eba behwe the cocoa sector no. So this bill is specifically for the cocoa sector. And nkofo bebre na eka wasem anopempo na me hwe minority in parliament can say bill no asem parliament and answer majority no magia to fast do OMAR bill no anka wo so mo ntwen kakra ma nema bi sa but me pese ye nhwe ne e wo cocoa bill nim ye wi a na efe ya hwe the other side of it. All right. This is from City News. I'm going to show us our article. 10 major changes the new cocoa board bill brings to Ghana's cocoa sector. And Nema Mako 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 10. Bia the new cocoa board bill no. And society for fry a day ba a cocoa sector no emu. All right. Now, as an introduction, no say for about decades in Phoebe Brainy and Ghana cocoa sector no yede Ghana Cocoa Board Act 1984 PNDCL 81 alongside other laws yede aye adwuma na say sa emrana ansa na sa cocoa board bill yi eba be sha se ana say eba be je atum no sa emrana na yede ye adwuma in the cocoa sector no awo ho mfie bebre eni mfie bebre na yede sa emra no aye adwuma na because of that nintino sa emra no na am say ache na entimi NCUT the new development aba nsesaye fufra aba na nso mra na yede adwuma na eno na yede adwuma nintino ama a whole lot of irregularities ekoso ewo the cocoa sector no emu cocoa smuggling and farmers pricing system no enshada nye favorable along other things because of that ntina ehu akohia se mpemfo behwe na omode emra foforo aba debt rising like a council ekoso in the cocoa board sector no eka bebre na so na ekoso eka biburija da bi omobobosia enso da bia nso no omodeka. First one, and as a first change, a 70% FOB price. One of the proposed reform is a statutory guarantee that cocoa farmers will receive at least 70% of the gross free on board FOB price earned by cocoa board in every crop season. And to know when so say AFIBA na say crop season biano sika cocoa board ebinya ewo Ghana ye cocoa eso no akuafo no a omo eto cocoa no omo benya mu 70%. Na chasa sa sika no emu 70% ebekọ e de ama akuafo na omo ankasa eye cocoa na chasa grassroots cocoa farmers. 70% of sika cocoa board enya efri ye cocoa so no ebekọ e de ama akuafo no. Eno eye change 1. We know omochemu say ebeboa ama the link between international cocoa prices and ekuafo sika omunya egu ombotom no emu beye den hint and directly who say cocoa price ekoso ewo dwaman so a na che say wo be feel sa impact no directly ewo obotom say we cocoa farmer. Okay, second change and it say cocoa board returns to finance ministry. Nesha said the bill also formally places cocoa board under the oversight of the Ministry of Finance following a policy directive in 2025. Enti no efiti CCI kono cocoa board ministry no ebeba be share eye finance ministry no as there's a reason to this and ye ko enim no mekan amowahu. Cocoa board eba be share Ministry of Finance as a first no nanka e share Ministry of Food and Agriculture as a but say no ye fi ho per 2027-2022 amendments bi aye no nanka e share Ministry of Food and Agriculture as a but say ye fi ho dey ba be share directly under the Ministry of Finance as a Basha wati ase eno eye 2. Number 3, fund targeting cocoa debt. Making can say a major financial reform under the bill is the establishment of a cocoa sector debt sinking fund dedicated to settling verified historical liabilities accumulated within the cocoa sector. The proposed fund would draw financing from parliamentary appropriations, proceeds from asset recovery, surcharges and negotiated settlements, with the account operating within the treasury single account. Okay. And so when so aye in Shishaya eba bebwa ama the Ghana Cocoa Board will be able to raise funds locally by ourselves. Enkonkwoye sika yebekwa akọ borrow yebekwa akọ bosia yebekwa akọ borrow from other places, other institutions there be na emom we no eba beboa ama yenya a dedicated sinking fund eba beboa ema eka cocoa board ede eka cocoa sector no ede nyina no yebetimi ede sa fund no asettle ye ka ni nyina interview na ko sa wote se Ghana cocoa board ede ka bi ede ekuafo ka bi a sa sinking fund cocoa sector debt sinking fund ena eba beboa ema ya settle sa eka cocoa board ede ni nyina eno eye change 3. Number 4. Ring fencing legacy cocoa debt. The bill requires all debts incurred before the act comes into force to be separated from Cocoa Board's ongoing operations. The finance minister would have powers to resolve these liabilities through debt restructuring, special purpose vehicles, negotiated settlements, or debt set-offs. Simply, efforts to clean up Cocoa Board's balance sheet do not come at the expense of farmer payments or the liability of the authority to finance cocoa purchases. Okay, and to we know, actually, say, a car at the hodada no. Ansana act way fufuro ya yajatum no eba be sha sese ebe ye adwuma no nti sa eka no ye mfa massa act way mu mpacha woti na America na say ane nti se Cocoa Board e de kada da bia wo ha sa aka no eda ho debt sinking fund debt restructuring eba be take care of. It is our fund targeting cocoa debt and no and eba be take care of. Nemum sa eka no ye carry forward to new bill na ye de aba no emu. Na che se cocoa farmer bi cocoa farmer bi Cocoa Board e de ne car sa eka we enka no. But what in America na say nti ade ya sa sinking fund no ebe settled sa debt no na emom ye nya carry forward. Okay, yentuaso. I hope say what's in America no I say stricter sanctions on borrowing. The proposed legislation also seeks to significantly tighten Cocoa Board's borrowing powers. Borrowing would now be restricted to activities directly related to cocoa productions, marketing, price stabilization, and value addition. The bill proposes severe sanctions for officials who authorize borrowing outside these permitted purposes, including fines ranging from 15,000 Ghana cedis to 15,000 to 30,000 penalty units, imprisonment of between 5 to 10 years, and a potential 10-year ban from holding public office. Efiti ene eko se Cocoa Board ebe bobosia bia na eye bosia bia yede ehwe cocoa productions, marketing, any price stabilization, any value addition eso. Bosia bia ebe so ewo Cocoa Board a emphasize niema we ya babobo so ehu no. Nipa ohweye ema ye boss abosia nipa ne nsahya ase ema ye boss abosia no sa nipa no yebe bonika nti no obetua eye 15,000 to 30,000 penalty units. And also say obekwa akodem prison sentence na me kan 5 to 10 years. And another punishment and so and say yebe ban no 10 years ontimi enhodi public office. Capish? Capish. Okay. Number 6. 50% local processing target. So I say, beyond financial restructuring, the bill places significant emphasis on adding more value to Ghana's cocoa before it is exported. It proposes regulations establishing a minimum threshold for 50% of Ghana's cocoa production to be processed locally over a transitional period. To make that target achievable, Cocoa Board will be required to improve access to cocoa beans, provide financing support, introduce appropriate pricing mechanisms, and offer incentives to local processors. Or just say, if it's in there, if it's bill for free, muno air kono. A beshe say Ghana ye cocoa ye produce our Ghana has a mishe cocoa beans no. Say the yen say akran ya ban say yem fani nyina enko outside enko turn into no. Ye be process and answer say make a process no kra bibi to say cocoa powder, Milo, dembe. Chocolate and ade like enema ye di cocoa ye ni yankasa ye be ye bi e wo ha say ene ye friend say value addition. Inti yankasa ye be ye e wo Ghana ha say inti ye cocoa ye be nya no AFIBA no at least e move 50% there e wo say it me a process e wo Ghana and sana ye the sa finished products no akwa abonti ananso say ansana ya hwempo say bia ye beton cocoa beans ni bi ama other people other countries. But okay. Number 7, no speculative transactions. That is, per the proposed bill, Cocoa Board will be prohibited from engaging in speculative or highly leveraged financial transactions that expose public funds to excessive risk. Instead, hedging activities would be governed by a formal cocoa price risk and hedging policy. Directors and officers responsible for unauthorized transactions resulting in financial losses could also face personal liabilities through searchage and recovery proceedings. Let's just say no. Se Cocoa Board and deka. Now be a we juma Cocoa Board, we penny o Cocoa Board. Oba na beka se Cocoa Board deka. Now ma inflate a car kese na Cocoa Board is owing this, Cocoa Board this and that. Obesha no na e no enya no kre. Wubia ye be investigation e be say wo say no obenti asomasi ohobon mu no asodi e wo ho e de ma punishment bi e wo ho e de ma hye so sa. Okay, number 8, producer pricing gets legal backing. The bill would also give statutory recognition to producer price review committee, which has historically advised on cocoa producer prices without an explicit legal foundation. And so Ghana your producer price review committee omo share say cocoa pricing ye dema ekuafo no eye anaso say enye they've been operating, but according to article omo ni legal foundation bia na so say if it's new bill no say nya jitu pe no na say ba beboa ataisa producer price review committee no echi and na be back omo as omo backbone this omo ye ejuma they have the full authority to work in Ghana. Number 9, new cocoa stabilization fund. ESSIEN. Another proposed reform is the creation of a proposed stabilization and diversification fund financed through a percentage of cocoa export proceeds. The fund would support farmer income protection, productivity enhancing investment, climate resilience measures and interventions during periods of significant volatility in international cocoa prices. This mechanism provides a more structured response to future market shocks while supporting a longer-term investment in productivity and resilience. And to know, you be so enya bibi a friend say cocoa stabilization fund. And no never be boase Ghana ye cocoa ye produce our Ghana has a better AFIBA na enkofa or how be a farmer. And to know in the future if there's anything out of the ordinary, anything be a surprise as a shock to the cocoa sector na sa fundi and a beboa a damage control mitigation into bibi to say climate change activities no sa fundi na beboa me ahwe say okay say ye weather na ye say ye asase na ye say nti o say ye what you say and productivity enhancing investment ye ka say pese ye value addition e wo Ghana ha say no e beboa ama ye value addition ene ye raw cocoa production no ni nyina bibia e fa cocoa production ho a e beboa say cocoa e be gina ne nice so because say no ye nim say galamsey for you mo say cocoa ni ade but sa funding na e ba beboa ama any future shocks the fund will take care of it. Thank you very much. Last but not the least, access for small processors. The bill also seeks to reduce barriers facing small-scale cocoa processors, chocolatiers, and businesses producing cocoa byproducts. More flexible licensing and regulatory requirements are proposed for smaller operators, potentially allowing more businesses to participate in cocoa processing and value addition. The broader objective is to stimulate entrepreneurship, encourage innovation, and widen participation in an industry that has traditionally been dominated by larger players. Hallelujah. Ochase, if it's a bill this year, ama small processors. Let's just say, and big companies no kwan bit me processing gold. Cocoa Ghana. Name ebema kwan ama entrepreneurs any startup or more no small businesses and so ebetimi processing cocoa Ghana ha say. Into pesa wonye chocolate, or pesa wonye cocoa powder, or pesa wonye whatever. And so betimi nya sa kwanya no na wayebi Ghana ha say. Into sa sector the first danka akesefo no na eye to say millionaire King's Bites chocolate for any more kaka home. But say you know, in case one also bit me ayebi. Small businesses and so ebit me ayebi send be entrepreneurship ebekoso ewo Ghana has say praise the Lord. In simple changes you 1 2 3 my boss mako 10. And na year changes are ewo the new cocoa board bill no ewo mu. It is nyame adom na se bill no eteki effect expecting Nema Mako 10 year Mabosui Ewum. That is that. Omar bin Abdullah.
Yes, sir.
With Nema Mabosui, why convince I feel was a window media man uncle Coco Famana? Have I been able to convince and not confuse you?
Coco near Habana near. Yeah, different.
And they am
why did ya wash or but I am watching almost. The possibility I was a because unless there you have received it.
Okay.
This was in case can into me so. The man and the man assistant so you said I will tell you so. Until abandon it why the man abandonable abandonable.
Okay.
I been children no cocoa from when you were Japan Pono to share a couture to my minimum year comparison from Togo 8,000 Ghana cedis. Until the man abandoned it years because the same cocoa Togo 8,000 that. Na Ghana yeton oya 3,500 or 3,000 na che wosi Ghana fo nta abere bi reban o kire de Togo fo hotim fa na Ghana fo hotim because obotum 3,500 or 3,000 ya aba 2,000 enu ya no nti aba na se ehwe sika orbam na fi twemi kaka koso a papa bi ora ma monko nta kaka na kokoko krachi wo ya wasakwan sai ala me brother ma am so Yankopona for money. Tell me about Sanaba. I don't go for to a Malaban coffer. I don't cocoa in a big warm oye so. I'm fine. I want to. And to say, what the night doing to do there, a coward's army, Mobet Dame Bialan, put on cocoa very, or Butia, but up to date, Miss Ankiska. And to say, she Joe woman, why are they? There were to me now, why she say, Pa, or your fair, or your macaque and canna, when you're to me. Why do you go be a bien advice and punishment. So you can advise or you have to.
Okay.
You can punishment or you have or you have switching. And see, the million maybe now, if you can, you have anything about Bomukul. Alicada chas, some of that canon. Would to be artful, would to be an asso. In this action, you do what the nephew bedo. No, Moko could be a body baby. No, now, Henry, why in Phoebe Abasonoco 8,000 will baby. From the Ghana here to 3,000 or so. Some from way 8,000 at a Ghana fortune now.
Okay.
Now, it be said, but Oba, any year crown, a mamma who make for 5,000 plus.
Yeah.
Almost 4,000 plus will be taban over. I'll be able to go from 2,000 non quest. You can find my business yard. In Tansha, a binary out to know the Shah at a record them on Wifi. Muslim Mitivia. May have for a son or sister another down. And also share for ask the matter. Also, the same thing. Adan Esha. What I didn't catch I show me which I have my best. When I catch the message, I'm actually. Into Nina, when you share a binner answer for or Casabi, which will be there and she been in trauma, in French.
Okay.
nti ye biri dizina oba na akasa la AFIBA yi wosisim nti mo so me ni ye pɛ abe na kula mari dwum wesu yimbe babuko kisu wesu wuminum na eche nsu yi ho nti eche ade ne hye wuminum na eche ada na yi nkofia ya wo cha ho na yi found
wana
abe nkofia wo cha sign language nti eche ayedam dam na le no fa abadem lo eche bi ya bi ho abeko na de wo se ko wan mo nsu ade wo ki hinu won ntumi nkasa nti na mpanyifo bi be so am wo se de hwe bi ne ntroma na efi ntwawozi nti ahona wo honara mpa ye bra de ankraban aya dam na mata me friend ankraban ne sisi ya waye oye sisi ya kwafo ho yin badwe ho na implementation is very, very important. But kaneze wa kara but boba ankraban na abado da wa abo mazene fi otum na ode de me je semi adebra oye kwafo and the pay abrante bi awo different media house a muhwemhwi baba basene okase kwafo ho na asem pa abakere apedo osu because ho de ebra kwafo rebre na ehwa abraba urfuma amina wo ya gida se yekọ oye fane dehia very good hwe kwanen he kalem pofo kwa wontum na kan na ntum ansa na afo amba bi
na ne enim ho na moto bi enya accident ho no
nti all these things kwafo otum rufum na udwe ho duaba asada abana ba ye honombo ohombo but the same aban no so sensu to na woto aba obafu nsu mu aba
of course
wotum sua ballot boxes wo ye pe mu ntwara awona ye na namba na osina pempem na police ya no kitenetation amazi so odinnem kwa fone haben bim odinnem sum na odroko because Ghana for want to aba pempe I would there to measure nti dem ne nyina kwafu wotum no afam because I quite remember me second or some third aba mutum dem time always timer no dem time man to aba ne bi me gina ho so je for the car bay obia kita AK47 dem time always the time what aba ya guzo me jahodi ne musa wo besin sane na la won ka hwenche biala ahona wo shala ha biala egwan obia egwan ma wa ke peace bia wotum din na ho ewa eti dame na kwafu for domly from but what we need as a country that so he ho boton yin we are saying the Capecoast North ne capital ya abra ko ya abra black and white the black and white in the economy why black and white so the quota no wa sana wodi what do you call it mmaba stones without feel nti edwan no fene obia anyi kwan no be kan time for that ijade hu da kwan no da black and white because baby was them baba too much white na black quota no so tumu but e baba abato aba president reba ofele president reba one for oye tip of no one twice o mo ofra abra inside light na asi mattress dan ho roman aso dan na asenado o tuemu for one pay mu won we ke sisi poni o CCTV the president wo hu da kwan no you good what about wa asana wa afa baby ma what on ntabu na with display ibi anyi ne nchino ibi la ejina nche abia ndam na oti yele baby anyi nche ye baby na nse amotochore kwa akra ye ne na nse yampo eto de fitin kana bisigwai obi anyi nche ndama dibudugwe baby budu bia ibi anyi nche na so yeto aba ibi anyi nche ni na no nshara na efi ontumto aba enti yedum pepe so wada Ghana funara na wada bia ahwe ho because and pay betene he menchira mafu ya wotere he wo hwemi se we dide wo ndide yo obi an nko nche wo ne tirim amen he na yetina ha yedide obi an nko nche wo ne tirim pay fusi wi ade ma wa yenti amende akomazu mpa na ta ho wada afie wo si kwase tire ho adin
o ma me da me fi mi si o
se bia ko ha to kura yo obi anu ho abokoro yo because everything was in na chira ya da mere sro ta ho na idin na asro kakra bi say if baba zi yo awo chiri na sekishie bia opa asam da ami ko fiza and mo force wo bakachi aba zi yo ka abokoro to moyo one it doesn't mean that as na oyo mutu ma abo abaya na mutu so abo abaya so mutu mbo but our teacher won for import ni wo nti de biara me zi oya ka che bia osan no ho metena ho anya da Yesu me ma sam nya da wode fantefo woka wode za na cha wa da Josh no orka chiro
obi say
obi no orka but mde ami messi chere mo ho akete se me yele te ho da yete no ho ya and wo oye the last bar 2 of Capecoast North. That is Kofodia. Obedidin komo sesere we right in home. Me fi krom ho ba na program temtene ho mu huni.
Okay.
There you know tene ho. O sesere we within 10-5 minutes. Okike kemeye ko na the same architecture obatan or that mark a sun fan wa sane me we. So I asked myself there, why that for no yeren on kenchire bi. Nti fitam time no besinde tese minyim mo community amete anwo biala we passa by a wo twam wo mefie ne ye obasene nkankan mo hu de ampentia enkesa ho a mala me da ho hyehyɛ me de mama bi so wasa because mo hu wonyima kyerɛ ye hɔ ho baby amekati me papa yim kato na musa 1988 na musa na papa yim kato nti minyim binom a me ye panyin so me hu binom nti mo hu binom a wo ya hɔ a mo hu nti the reason why me the imagine here there in case abene ebi hwehwe bi o akatehye tuntuma titi abo kakra dami nti me me yokra na mo na bi bese bi o boko o metam ho no twemo ho adano permission ho to identify impokura na efi otum no wabo nti bi me pie wotawo yi wo mo community baby amete area baby amete fo na abro bawa sa hwehwame na aba bawa na ebo medina bi anyi. Nti all these things no ohia the baby howa ebutum na yere aka because of architecture na aza otum oye anu bi sebiri ana medatu oyem kotodwe enyim na efi etum na abo na etum na akwayim because the reason why so me say akomezo wo etum kan another experience me etum awo architecture osheduma 3 days on tum onzi butum na fast and nduri aso nka wo ya akwanche. But there is not the 3 good days. Undidi. Nde maybe say no sit no or survive. Osa na poro ku edwuma. Onum nso. Na me so say e pun edwuma wi abe na wo yanfu didi ne. Oso no so oye busy re no so nti no so kwaka dan no ho wo street nim. Na wa aba odo ha na chere wa adam papa na no we kiji say mi okonum nso. Na me say yibire ko fia ye den. The same nso na no okon.
Na ejuma ni yentu anika
no usua
okay
ewa nti oya na adwena sere oya wa abor adunu sua no yinsa na dwuma bia sisi ameke say otumo kaniska na otumo asho dato na wa afre na efi aka chem nkwan hia mede mani hina no wo otumo na wa abor wa ebie na nke so otumo na oye dwuma na osua no wo otumo na wa abor so afre you season onto ofre nsua na muso afutu nkote on sesa afutu amazing the kind of support muso mutu support na minimum baby I did it on behalf of Masum community. And all these things in coming back to Ankraban se dwuma ho a John Bennett 3 days dinje I catch le bia e bia na you know asem no yenko but all the rare things or tena ha na or kan ansana sama bo ha no is true nti in there metene he kan nketesia bi de metena ha bi no so office there bibi ho wa catch na won yanko on tum mbo mpa butu aka catch le bi oh Joyce so ma say comedy no nti say wa tracy dia na no ekono so ko no tan hu no for so mo de no fan kra Mr. Man na fan change benedi oh Joyce also comedy na FIBA portion 5 cities na mko change by mama Joyce just a matter of communication and relationship with you more it doesn't mean there yem pan no sabi and you know what oya apamisi enkotin na orebra etumaka we be musa what to abo whatever ya park no dey mean say and all these things are part of our bra but FIBA experience in is many ne page na tense mom na me but me hu bi ma afibim na see because I asked myself there 1991 12 December you are about 4 o'clock and we did the way I'm sequence I asked myself there that I'm a term and papa way
wow
he called me and I get some there nzama yes na chere orebre nti monhwe mo nuanum ize me na papa o chere origin komara and mo ko school by na be na papa ke So I asked myself that the last communique, my papa and me, which we won't do boo, and I don't much. 1991 and Musa, I'm school up to now. My boy one top plus. Oh, now I'm the man 1992. I'm Musa, the money and Musso. I was what today. And last born the man for whom papa cry.
Oh,
was no sakra. It's another whole papa be all a dada. Now, see, the matemina BCC here. Baby, my found maybe be sa. And yago. So sometimes I ask myself there, I'm coping. I'm coping with Zim Hambo. I do I can TV there and hear abu. So Madame I'm coping as the neighbor with them. It's a move there. I didn't know if you MC Ababa came. As a more the moon to Munka. It's Nina Yabra Benabi. It's a ho na a kawasma. But you will do also be kind of cemetery. No, I bear day. Equa one of our catching because of him wanted to. Utumu charge na one task and what about you? And you want to know if you are the but the human out book. It's go also on cast mention. In a go also a cast also a semi may catch the woods. Man can to one.
Tell me, see, Manuel Shemichi,
fanciful,
this is my tea and my
noise. Some more catcher for two woods. Now, and see, all these things are part of Oyabra Babat. Oyaz. Biara nephew to me happy him.
No ma.
Yep.
Near a dear beju has say.
Uncle Bano.
Uncle Bana my way in Happy. Nanny say, cocoa and sense me. Me dear, Martine Classica crying a meadum. And in fact, my cocoa crying to me, Uncle San, me cocoa farmer. Nanny say. Send na wadan via or one if I catch or say cocoa no and as some kids were like a very serious so called typical cocoa communities are because that is their only source of income. Say no ni ha ontimi nya hwe in fact na sase na mpo no eno na ode dua cocoa no enye se bia wedua banji bi wedua bode bi no ka say otwa akwakoton wo Kotokraba market cocoa ye nton no Kotokraba market. This aban emma to cocoa da sometimes cocoa crash for no mutimi agi cocoa no free ekuafo no ho no omo free this aban de sika ba ansana omo akwakoye omo akwakotua ekuafo no eka. From what I know so Ghana Cocoa Board omo akoye say aban na nkasa mu because every 1 minute bia omo bobosia every 1 minute bia omo bobosia but they are not sasika na ombenyan ante say oye business ankaja or say winya mfaso so wato cocoa akwakoton abonte omo to fi ekuafo no ho omo jebosia na no makwakoto efi ekuafo ho no makwakoton wo outside minim hwe kra no minim say as long as wo kwakoton wo outside ama another external person there and our organization there will say they have to pay you higher than how you bought it. That's how business is done. Auto BB 2 cities are turn about 3 cities, never 1 city that's so. But Cocoa Board they make losses and they are always borrowing money. Bill for free a proposed bill. And no HS say no Cocoa Board omunko borrow emfi obi aho. Na emom no omankasa through their activities be raising enough money to be able to buy cocoa from ekuafo no ho na omonkonko borrow from anywhere to the extent that wumpo na wonsa ebehye any borrowing ase na borrowing no emfa ekwan mu se bia cocoa production value addition and answer marketing emfa we hu bia no wo say nipa no ebetimi atwenwaso is that so bekwa kodem obetu ya fine and also say you be ban from holding any public service. Me, I have a question on this very particular one. Maybe you can help me, you can express your view on that. Now, and they say, first, na you borrow few outside in Pono, na ye boka. Na say no, mo see ye mame yankasa me sika enfanya no. So, do you think this is realistic? A realistic target na Ghana for per se almost 30 miles on.
If you want to say Ghana have a no. Communications are much better than implementation. This is how I see them. And if you there, had to go why, go back Canada there, they to me train. She said, go home, fair, train. I am a time conference at Kasa. Abako na ekishie penni bi ehun de nzi no wo terms no wo akisa big conferences aye tumi na makobi wo yankan na ekotu room bi abisa ho de are you a member of parliament or you are just a resource person or whatever. Nti obaka kasa brofa kasa at the end of the day they be azaya mutum de beat one in there. Wo brofa yin obaka ni na. Yo mo so ma kan fanti. Nti mo kan fanti na zo sai na wo se de ma fanti won taase. Mo so ma ka cha won so brofa na wo kan mo so men taase. Na wa se bi se me de samentaasa mo se de na me ye me input. Nti ye dem pempen so wo de tumi hu de za you tumi re kan no. Wo paper do ye catch them no. Are you going to do the same thing on the ground? Or be you to me ye can or best is a Coastaltv the margin on paper. Are you going to implement the same thing or not? Say ye the baby size, I would to gun of it to me when I cut the margin of I'm feeling to mama. Until home before to work a car to my church and me peeing in maybe or monitor ye trying monitor which are not that you who need now. No crying. Implementation is the key. What we are waiting for. Until 2 minutes you implement it, you 2 minutes you won't go for 2 minutes. Sorry, I quite remember 3 years to my former station and a moment to my YouTube. And the promo could be my mission and then to my mission. Mohana me a call fee or ye agri department or Himalo Dentra. Or say with him. Mokoya, Carly Shaw. Convoy driving way pay for about say your inspection wahina kokofa am so mo commission na modokwa ndi shoe ne ne mahabe me shoe ye wa and me be sa import from in there shoe what the bahabe with the shoe bahabe nti ya had that aware kwa akaya you know what we are going to do in Parliament. Ano obeyed no you don't care. Nti edum pepese za yere ka kire hinunien ana so odanem no odre mawa ebeja na antem pen fisi aye ya fune de na aye ni amako no wusu ni tira na che wa aye won foso nti edu be bia ode itumi ese ne so de se ebi no ye farmer na itumi implement the maji ya ma no anu zo yezi Sawaso na ya farmer, ni mpoko na ya farmer, no so ya minister, and ya director. Na no so implement the matter no on kasa ho a. Will you feel happy? Nti Ghana payefo, nya ho na wote dey sisiare. Za wa ba so no kwa de we afiji. Kwa me nkoma na abero. Osaji fu do to kwa me nkoma mpa edi bia a wo kede. Oye nzema pii. Till now we have negativity. Otum no. Bisibiri. Nti yama mazina za yitumi yireka no ede kire oya dom no dama na yitumi yireka yehwe kwa foza wotum obre Coastaltv de hinwa yitumi de twan kama na besibiri sise bia ntum mbe ekọ na ebirikọ oya chance ro akoto hu nzama bancha ofo no kotokunu habanu mun osomo no kotokoti odoba kwa hu so osomo no kotokoti woro ton so osomo no kotokoti cause banchi no mbanu na rampon ayewaye ade befie kotokoko senti esuma wan ya na che obedan weja na yehwe fanen ekwafo nkankan kokoko ekwafo ade bia yitum ne yi wo honodo na abra wotum wo from a sister antel me dey come can there se nkano ebi ekokofa no obejuska no okache no mam 3,000 Ghana cedis 2 months time my bro 4,000 the person will pay but not now koko no dabi koko no sisi awo ibinezu aboto umfesika mbe ahunya wa yape nti ye hune de ebototo asanka aba ne mpanyifo wo yaade but mo ye bi nka ho but is a kaka asan bi na nka ne ye yara ahwane awane etum ne ya asam ntam no not precisely domi hinara na wotum ho shahoba edube bi ai yeziyo abaka Ghana ya san ya ko hene chiribiem ana yeroko ana da yetu yeba ebi buto aka sama chane yanko ya but with the be na ibwana or complain the latest part on hene ma me ne je otum ho si ya akaje krate it say oyen voices are do and some of to make a catch the sitting president how to make a catch na binim Nebuchadnezzar so I from the Bible ma yanu no ma pano Nebuchadnezzar yanu no ma pano but all these terms in ya to ma aba sonoko but at the moment era e bi ke big show biara e bwa no waya yo ewa e bwa no waya yo nse ye dum pempen so a ye nhwe de demazia mezere ye efibe so the baby na efiba no so ore the same thing otum no da achirama my ready there mutu me receive because me ye bi children na no so otum no ye bi achi nti he koko farm for another him ekwafo ekoduma ye efiba ma ye ekoduma ka but he den ya anya a farm and sell mum yeah farm and
shop
yes
okay
mama me nanto ye nanto ansa ya akọ farm na ekobo load na oya mama me nti me make sure the load me na ayaka sesen na but yes still I want you to come my YouTube na say e bibi be wan kwete butum na nanto ko hanum na ne budu wan wala able but yes still no I want you to me o de baby a na me ka cha abewa muntu nko abembe mo was na able because if you bread brempo me busy na ho na water yeah ye dwumedi bi fine de bia ya me hia mpanyefo kankan koko mpanyefo na da aho na wo ba abasobode aye agri department na the one the typical farmers away ye dwuma no o me de wutua hoko they are suffering more than the leader I mean me ye miska ma AFIBA koko krachi o manage mu koko Joyce ka ho na cha batum ka ho aho na wo hwe utum tua da me farmers na utum tua ho na ka but oben there Ghana ban obo about so that no ole the basically there and I know what to do back one of the baby what you have na meta but still now what's that no butu higher because azenura na oda hin che otu mo
and the answer me sure eda ekwafo beka say omo strike
okay
strike me train that done pa say beba say ekwafo beka say ye strike e bia tomato for ni jeno for ndi omuntimi en ga say omo strike
ekwafo
but cocoa farmers
strike is obutum na wako na ekọ striker dinum so no nko
eno de eden aye oni obeye ni ye oni onye ye onkofo mbeji atum so mbekọ strike e bi mu so mbeka say no even in a classroom for that I beka say teacher ni we oba ye nko ne class eden a we hu nhwehwe ni mu fu bi say omo de ombeko class akwa ko teacher ni no so me hu ni say ye farmers no they deserve better. Yeah. Farmers deserve a whole better. Me hu ni nti a was a farmer no ofidi a whole nation or man nation aduani di. Say cocoa de ntimi fa no a breakfast lunch and supper. Na emom no cocoa na ebetimi ye de bibi. In fact our economy no is dependent mostly on agriculture. Ghana we've not passed that stage na ebetimi aka say your economy no is not dependent on agriculture but it is dependent on manufacturing or processing or something. The industry manufacturing industry yeah they are not developed yet and yet say America for their and say China for their every day biano they have new things coming on the market, they are producing new things, they are manufacturing new things into the market, yet it is still agriculture, all because we have the necessary environment for it. The environment is very very favorable to agriculture. Yet they say in fact branch crampo they say in fact what the branch GST will say crampo na obeko na abo na aduane sha say your environment no is so favorable to agriculture and it's na ye say no no most of the youth no bebre na into agriculture because ye hu say nsesan bebre nsesan bebre they say we ye kuani a wasam nyambo to say first for de no nti ehun sense san bebre na eba in that sector na still na no yentimi enye policy a etimi makuani ehoto no yentimi enye policy a emakuani oda na somudwe no na the whole day akwa gine wiem ado I send free say na oda won't mean so that papa there. And then we failed our farmers as a country, no, you fail your farmers totally, completely 0%. And then you're good. It doesn't speak well of us as a nation. Yenya say policy juma will be country only pa no what develop it to that level now. Or person this our policy in juma no. And no and the kwa fa be memu e de aye. LBGTQ 100 plus a bill almost sign it. Ebe si nne. Yentimi fa pen and see paper so no what's ye no yentimi fa pen and see paper so and sign it say ye jetum say emra me juma. Let's look at a society no up to net 21st century 2026 and net 10th of August 2026 we still have a witch camp. Yeah, that's what witch camp witchcraft bill like they call parliament say and sign and I am from protect the Ghanaian him or herself intimi and sign is bill no in fact yen can once some point yes no say ba sign it up till now as a name bi they are not needed, they are not necessary, and no any day are doing course all because or more for a mind so people are doing it in their country. It is working for them. It's in our country when we are not there yet. We are focusing on what we have to do, what will help us best. We are just adopting things that emphasize in so. As a country, we need to go beyond that too. If you stage 1 and you call stage 2 and you call stage 3, some for now you see in Sia or Mugidi no or free stage 1 and no call stage 2 and no call stage 3. Since a more use stage 3 now that's what stage 1 and me and Kofa near more we a year in stage 3 no and for me Juma stage 1. It doesn't work like that. It has never worked like that and it will never work like that. You just understand now you as a country. You just understand now you as a country. Because sometimes me dana me dream means me and dream and institutions me jana madasa because how can you tell me say how can you tell me say a country like Ghana the whole of Africa asem me can because independence we are the first country in Africa to gain independence independence so when they blueprints for other African countries to gain independence. Now there are a lot of other African countries who are doing way better. Now South Africa of yesterday to be we should go back to our country because then we are stealing their jobs. Can you imagine? Ghanaians stealing South African that were already independence. Even up till now they are still living in apartheid system because there are a lot of places in South Africa right now that you cannot go there if you're a black person. Even up till now the apartheid system is still working over there. And me in Ghana, yaji independence at Chese. We are almost 70 years. Ye nipa ankaba now no. Nka yasha say count a last days. Okay, ye ebia yasha say esu say owo mefa ye say na no na me na bi eku say esu say owo mefa ni because when ye our bre. Ye nipa ankaba now we are going to our grave, but we've not achieved anything that we can put our hands on. Party way beba no aba be way party bi so ba o se da bi yempe we ni ya to agu. What is this? What is this? Yentimi make up your mind as one people to do something substantial for the country. And the way ba see a friend in Jubilee House. E china way ba say be a friend Jubilee House, a friend Flagstaff. A friend Flagstaff have. The way so suppose say be e friend no say what is this? I am here like I don't know what is our problem.
Landmark what mu se dan wo do maybe am do en pakura mu zinka wo bonezi papa na mabana abado oyin hin former president or John Ejekunkufo.
Okay.
Ano na timopo ebe do isi ayabia osafata ya Ghana. And if you kwana what mu wesi a dana the type of a dan mode actually the whole world in who style na wo ye the same thing a president tutumoto. Na actually in between be dan si president to no office to vice wo no office wo na ministers nkai a onye ho ye adwuma no office wo na hwa ada na hwa land order radio the BC one from one other but the main road the car to me for on the moon as president in the and to Moduan I say hey sign president in the and the means me papa ya papa kufo wan yana dwene de sabi on tina mebi anane time aso nti on ye hwi waye ma manim panyimfo a sabi enka Ghana fo hono yaw ebi oso na asama otomo kan onyi wonti me pera meka birim okeke nsama on sanfata sisi ade ade nti ye de pempenso a Ghana panyimfo a henso itumi ka AFIBA ade ye Ghana panyimfo ngote yo o shaso wofo we have small leaders what promise my promise AFIBA na mama na 100 Ghana oh daddy and my promise be
100 Ghana 100 yeah for me what we am witness for me 100 Ghana
farm mana o di baby a na chere anka no kora anche o di baby a na chere ezina hwi nti ye dem pempenso a nsama wotu mo keka no order yitumi ji yituma dem eke 1957 a itumi de tonyo ada 1957 ada muhu mama me I the date of birth buku hunu wo manana na azim na manana ka bebi ne muhu mama me date of birth because the sine ni huni sana o throw in order to chile time in order share I tell you it's me na miss sanitam me the man na me ka cha mama me there date na de bia am missing birthday de ba missing birthday de ba no only 10th October 1956 let me say the time I got for John Fangusin. No, I don't know. I will know, sir. Na maybe 70 or during the 10th October, my mama made a birthday. Now I'm some more 1st October. Let me say, hey, Dama. Into 69 years, you call you 70 years. Now, basically, Ghana, they are quite a now, we don't know what is going on. AFIBA, I don't know the reason I'm catching Osha so for me. May MC at department. And the baby back as a new Mazamanka. But all the baby nephew, I see be boy, I will do it to me. Hey, the baby nephew, and you be up had to wash in summer, I will do it to me. Ghana and pay for be the man, I am say, from Bilms to Macau. Procrastination, I'm putting one tour, I'm putting a year to a year. Oh, my, it's a more way. Cast some notion. I can do it now. Order me at the time. If I can't do it, order me to me general. And yesterday, my bread was inside can. Now, my maybe or in the bar, but get so many stories. No, other can't tell the other. No, I'm a can't tell it to. No, Momutuman. I did it. But man can a Momutuman. Nti onko na china wa ba oba abaya na asafofo nti no all no there za Ghana pefo tum kenina edi nasi
ebe ni den ebe kan say ni nti e na sometimes no means me M40 nkofo mo ye bibi ti say illegal mining nkofo ejeje bribes any ade I can't really fault them like that because system nankasa no e failure na system ne failure and as only avoid na mo anso te na say wo che no koma na say kom de na o sha say o wo ne ba pe o be che ne banare and you know sometimes I cannot really blame some people like that. I know that as citizens no ye nyina your responsibility say be protect your country any ade ankasa but wo sha na kom de na wo sha na sha nature say I was on fat Takashi Binson and Fanshim. So, yeah, we really need to do something about it. Make we are, make all of us, as citizens and then as leaders. Ya catch also we a leader, you. Uncle for the omo trust as show mu say, Brana be ya deal with fa mu bia Mr. No wa hwem na wa ye. Na hwem na waye and then na say abo din say Omar bin Abdullah obedi DC for 3 years with me with me oh we twaso nyina yopo bibia da so asphalt fine and then na efe say Omar bin Abdullah obedi DC ono na timi ma Pedu Junction cars ejinejina highways where ye parking e loading na we yi wo mu nyina free was obi anko station and then na efe sa say bebo within say na witimi hear something good now they dey be bebo within na just sika wi ani sika dina
I guess the reason why I'm sorry there but people are from 3-4 weeks or 1 month o din kan ya I penism or ya so or the same style your kasa even there ye kwa asora asofo kan yankopan na asa ebi mo kasa mo na wawo ewo ne de be mo eyan asem yo sofo kan o share man na sofo we share ni mo kasa bo na wa akwa akwo no so bi so kasa mo na wo bube ti wara di empesi ma ehunu de no asem ezi wozika na otum fa bible no quote to quote na if you otum the same tum kasa say pina sabi wonte ya futu ahana man kanka kafa ntika bida nti akadama indirectly yede etum na sabi ahye bia ho ba bia nyim de ma ho ba but akwana efada etum kasa ni sorry indirectly aya ho ba hye nti ma bobo ne nsem ni hina no was all say no bedelete nti onyim na so aya man kantum ho madam yankopanasi enya ye kura no mo wansam chirojuma mijijumedi acha enya ye kura no mi gensam chirojuma mo ko school am ka practicality me practical work technical school I know nti maza me ye in terms of mo project am ye mo former na mala na me mo shaba me nti edade ne so am ka chere ha blog bi dey sin oya papa ntutu ewa because nti mo hwe ni hina ne kono kekensem bubu bia dama de bisa mo sa me e ready am yo bakasa because as I'm a small boy there there's no need and I supposed to approve something for him but I refuse to do it na mo kwanka na nanse na metikal ma me yedam mo ho ano so tikal traffic action na ya it me gina ame bubesara metanko konkitingiti bi mtem tam wo fom na no so oho so oye 207 bi mo hwara so nchem zin na ma wo so meti na ma da me wa de kwaya isin sane ma me say ya me nti ehwe nkofa wotum wotete da ma na ole ya but ohun de otum na ole ya nti ni zan de za yere ye de metum na abo iyi bai no abazo na otum abaye ye politics mo na emom ye former president John Ajokum Kufuor ibutumi ye hunde National Health Insurance babaye wa aka up to now president bi anyi wo tum rutwa maati
mezoma aye saman it's just a post of it
no AFIBA wait undo nempempen so the mazo obi za abo wa that's what he will say
any what obiao paracetamol kwa na eto
don't say that Monko hospital mka because of me.
Me makwa hospital akwa kwashe.
Merba. Okay. Meze awa. Wo ya ba kwa na tumi efado. Na ayanka so aye timi mfono. Ebi o ma orko hospital. Na ngasa ohun na the majority ye ni nkotin de me ya be na ole ye. Nti orko hospital na wa aba de there. Abaka che doctor the majority na otumo. Doctor so be ye hwehwem no no. Ebi wa na ye the majority ko no ye. Wa de here rest. Nti ji damapale na efenum na sesa butu aba mo hoye aza me won tanje hu ne dripping nya nonom akos wasese won dripping jet to swallow it nti mo kwa amazing ka dog say ye no be ye ya mampande ntum nti ami instructions aya mo komo susun dog say ye no be ye drink no masana pando ho a forward because the last workshop ye kwa ekiti 1 week wa cry the time na me ya was man kosa onye ye dama wala message I hold to me said pure I'm in administrator no command until what I'm come catch a dog there a mom and pound more until the way we do for me still now me the other than a fine part I am yo but if you get your door or to me doing me to me And still now, from the teaching hospital, from the other side of the hospital, from the community hospital, I Dr. Hobu, the hospital is a meeting my bobo is doing. Mean to catch a map of didn't say Chiba, I national health insurance require. Palajan or Wutumazima. No. My visit to Anchor Hospital Suda. A woman, a during now was a mama, no bono. In there, a beer uncle to health insurance, you know, but say figure out what more by my now. Whatever health insurance to my bob. Teaching hospital. In kitchen, national health insurance, I didn't say Chiba, card Gibia. What card the general to Mobiyamo and Mako from in between 50 Ghana to 100 Ghana cedis. It was there. But in between, you say, what damn, upon didn't say Chiba, card ya. We two are born most into Munka. But Sako Hospital. Now, what card any young continue while you hand cedis? Hey, tell me, I to my joko. In time, what do I say? You want to say, a bishop to Mako, Palapala, but I'm confused. Muntu Palapala because Muhun the system.
And that's a paranquan near the Mao, but a you know the Mam, not paracount. We still know the Mam, and the only thing that the health insurance was covering was the process more. Even blood test, body offending. Blood sugar was the pressure, was the depending on what test, you know.
10 cedis.
They collected 7 cedis for that, and 7 cedis, health insurance couldn't cover 7 cedis. Meanwhile, made me health insurance and it was not dead, it was alive.
The issue is health insurance, you know, our system. I mean, you're American someone. Our system which we operate. No, we won't draw our health insurance, you know. See, the more system we operate, the more draw our health insurance, you know. I know what to show to do. Now, you can name me. We will try as much as possible. My hand say to my account, National Health Insurance Authority. You were scheme. I want to wear your wage, man. Now, you were. The authority from now, hospitals from the western region and central region. Office on Capecoast or Abra. I want to go to claim papers, which was the benefit for to Mutia. Until they to engage about health insurance for the Yate engagement with PFIA Community Connect. Aka or the authority for now, wash or your claim, which you have count on Cape FM, no position honor when the
health insurance for so I know more assign yen soon or more can say. And yes, be a card no and me and cover a journal name in you only be a name 1, 2 hospital need be into also on cotton or outside. And now some situations where you will be a arena or the coin, yasha, won't you now betono out of coverage area and no health insurance will not cover. And I said, yes, a health insurance, not okay, me say, may health issues need health insurance need to me and cover. What are we doing? What kind of this is
what are we doing? We'll start with.
What kind of a health insurance is that?
I come home, I wouldn't carry a first registration and I'm
oh, me and me can't be. First of all, mom the bamboo cross. Picture me and try me each while we can say yes.
Yeah, first one forms all the better or feeling. But matter by time I did media, so one could win you.
I'm more hobby.
But from a couple,
someone the bamboo cross.
I was part of them. Registration officers, equal communities, but some with the emotional system. The way I did tableau, I don't go do it. Was time and now. I want to buy a pocket as an aqua in the media. And now, woman was saying, I every damn purpose. You woman was chassis over pilot basis, be both copy was on cover, the man every damn purpose. And to share, Doma Warden, na in Duno, it won't more to our cover, it won't so on to me now and then on cover. And say, I'm on to me, Mancasama, Nemum, a time we invite them and can't claim for no. Claim for no one would track them. Into why there, and when Skibble how would you, Skibble how would you. So I want to make the other ha. Well, I have between you, Tana. Like yours, all here in a class, I'm here, and another girl class, and see a book.
Maybe I want to come see you when you want to Mr. Ever 1 more year. And I said, so, Mr. Ma, Yakasa be on. It's with the entry only on Codumus, you may to come to me and Codumus and Cambrana. Correct. Your banner, the news if an ashes so made you.
Perfect.
National National Petroleum Authority say, Mawo bambo hu hia ukane. Ain't no, stay back and stay safe. National Petroleum Authority ebo bibia kokose se fuel tank enya akwanhia na edane a menko ho nkwaye wadwen se okosisa petrol ana fango no na afenso menye wadwen se wo ben fuel tank enya akwanhia ne ho agwa kodwitwa videos ana pictures na petrol ana fango wo hwenso uhua ko wumu a enye sunsu asobone ewo apomodensem so fango nso eho ahometinti no enfomso akitu ebi ebetumi ameja tom amana gise ewom eba ne saa nipa dodo timi femu hihye ehwe mo nkwa emeja pade dodo na nso esei eno nti memfa won nkwa nto chacha enye saa obenu ho nkwa na nyina se wo hu se fuo tanka bi enya akwanhia na adane amafango no ebugu mpa hwa na wa aman ho da stay back and stay safe. Emomo no aya fredum je jumayefo ana posifo no mo mehwe nso ano wutumi nso efre National Petroleum Authority ewo 0302 550 380 kaise wonkwa wo hoi eho hia bebre esensa afango no kokoboi National Petroleum Authority ene de bro.
When you go to university, lecturer is your teacher. When you go to work, oh, government is your teacher. When you go to school, teacher is your teacher. I say that when you go to university, lecturer is your teacher. What they've been teaching us, I say, it's not African made. Too much intellectual cases and I hear they teach us every day. That's why black man retire. Too much for Africa. And when you come to listen to the band,
ABDULLAH is your teacher. Teacher is your teacher.
I say when you go to university,
Lecturer is your teacher.
when you go to work, AFIBA,
Government is your teacher.
One more time. Come on. 1, 2, 3, go.
Oh,
Simona, Bobiewe, Ejan son of the Rame, 1 year of our famous. Was a little school, okay, I could test you, fair. Teacher Panza, where you may pass. And so then you are caught up, and so on the deadly sicker, okay, shed listen, oh, wait. And so you're what put away there? Yes, sir. Oh, Papa, see ya, when you come on, you know, da. And so you're when you say, when you're there. And I want to see what you know. Da. Oh, Papa, see ya, when you know what you know. Da. When you say when you're there. When you go dancing, and I want to see what you know. Da. Wait. Wait. Oh, baby, oh, Papa, son, what the woman do? Da. When you say when you're there. When you go dancing, and I want to see what you know. Yeah. One more time. Come on. 1, 2, 3, go. Me and from local school, mama. Compared to fear, today, baby, me and my girl so. Oh, if you're right, baby, my girl so. Me with the fish and that's what. Forget today, baby, me and my girl so. Oh, if you're right, baby, my girl so. It is good question. Oh, my goodness, also. I could want to say we direct you. Baby, my good soul. Yeah, if you baby, my good soul. Yeah, I told you. I agree at the why. Baby, my good soul. Go. One more time. 1, 2, 3, go. Not so in because I'm a sewer of our fair. Other you will. Baby, my good soul. Yeah, of our fair. Baby, my good soul. Oh, what does say way? Baby, my good soul. It's a local stram. I say, what? When you get to know, you see, I have there you go. That's a book like you never. Ono me boa, bom guitar, rock a massa, show there.
Yes, and so a try home akaba na yedi de ubon krata no pay na yedi baba summo. Ye share ni mu say yebenya ahoho bi ne no mo ahwon komo anope yafa ye koko nsensem ya ho but nyame ado no mbeka yensa de a ye no mbehwon komo nya sa de a ye to aso. NPP rejects a rushed cocoa bill way every the daily searchlight anope and na ode aba calls for presidential withdrawal and key amendments. Nti no MPP amanyoko no e hye se cocoa bill fofra ye pese ye di adwuma organa ha se no kama ye se amoye no hyew so dodo amoye no fast dodo omomode no munya time no muntina ase na omonye mpensem wo bill no ho ansana omode aba enye se bibia na hurry up pesem na sa na MPP amanyoko no kind so MPP amayoko no so san so ka se omontwe bill ne sensen na omonya ne mpensem mu yie ansana omode bill no assign back. Government yet to approve revised KG to primary 6 curriculum. Education Ministry and I can see Harry Naijusu and I mu say aban no efiti KG ekoju primary 6 curriculum mpemfo share say yemfa nya adwuma no aban nya njintumu ye nti no mo bi nkogina beebi nke kansem say na say na debi aban ni nya njintum say aban jituma na ye de be ye adwuma onya njintum de ye nya hya say ye de ye adwuma. Arrest attacks on free speech Pegbu Dafiamepo unhappy nti Martin Pegbu one Dafiamepo omo eni nje enam ene ya chewa chena machewo esan se obi akwa kan se mi obi edidi atem obi aka se bi enye na ya chena ye na akwa kotu san sensem ni na Martin Pegbu ne Dafiamepo se omo ni enje ho kra entwaye. Visionary Showboys Foundation hands over 24 maize and vegetable farms to Ejumaku Enyan ESSIEN Education Director. And no Visionary Showboy ne foundation bi as I say I know ka say omo edit 24 maize any vegetable like 20 me kind of simple maize here then kwango ebro any vegetables farm makomako 24 and omode akwa share Ejumaku Enyan ESSIEN Education Directorate no ensa so monje no monhwe so. Get fund UNESCO sign MOU to leverage digital and AI skills in TVET. Nti get fund any UNESCO edo monsa ahye eye nkrata bi ase a eba beboa ama yedi AI edijuma ewo ye TVET adesua no emu eno ne nsema ewo the daily searchlight.
Can times krata na etum na the children no ye hwe ka tene ye pen no to do pa ye oye expert bi etuma chensem dem ekwana Ghana pempeso etumi do oye waste management no ɔwɔ dɛ etum na education papa ma otum na ɔboa ma ɔmo Ghana etum na ehun dɛ sɛ ɔbɛn sanitation a yɛtum na yɛako hene yim nti ɔbɔ to asɛm pɛyifo na ɔbɔ mɔdze na efi otum na wama ɔyɛ ho etu do Standard Chartered Bank Ghana sikakrabia no mu yɛ de papa pɛyifo otum wɔ hɔ wakyensem dɛ kwan biara no ɔwɔ wogye sika 673 million Ghana cedis a otum na wɔkyɛ ɔyɛ bɔhyɛ a wɔbɛkyekyɛ no kakra na efi otum da aboa ma Ghana economy ɔyɛ growth no abɔmɔdze na efi etum na ewia pɛyɛ the man so no sefa osho oye adusua do oye honorable Haruna Idrisu akyerensem de kwan biara do no oye senior high school replacement no and there my from an answer to movie oye basic school ko senior high school so no oye replacement no bokodo and then the bibia baba out oye August 31st na chabosum ye wom yara ospepe plan the mensam no so obotum obokodo some Jonah akyerensem de odo to otwe oye Nigeria odo ko oye ICC over oye Abidjan nsase no ho samsama otum no orkodo nti in openi sam Jonah etum na akyensam yele manpayin omanpayin John Dramani Mahama no so abomazen na fi aya resafri na aka oso gire nche na fe yisu tum ka ho no so etum aboa na mom za Ghana fo nche wo pepapa pan de late president oye JJ nchaneba nchobaye oye defense minister omanpayin na so na the pay say me mutum chima be men kan ha Jahini ya waba fam nti ga America hinde Ghana fo za wotum na wope wambam na aso wo say every minister is minister biara aye minister nkoten aye minister nti ebɔhwe nti sisa wa ama hinema mpayin dadaw oil president ba wo say onko bebe foforo do na mom anepay akyerebe AFIBA odene nsam hia tumtugwa ebutu hene se bu na kwandema ibobobɔ nebom azachi si amojo ho resha from ampe na aye ne rene me FIBA amojo ho papa yin de e won majority leader ana wa amon posi oya papa mama yerga amon posi na twa onyi minority leader atwen wo sa posi wo ayra atwo me se go fie na okọ wakọ oya select committee hu akototo na ne ne ma so obisi na me ma so obisi tisa papa ne papa ne ba na fi otum na oja ndamara na olo no nkase we asimpa muwe enyisum de anhwe ne ye ya me do pata anhwe ne ye onin therapy on former president oye neba okay oye Senator Lawrence Dr. Senator Lawrence ana mo suspect anhwe on chepi na nka afa wotum ake wadi yanko
e do mo so ni da so ni emi
I tell you nka majority leaders ana za da majority leaders han baka akai oyo sa da oyo hwan de e mo no wa apun parliament na ho bieni majority but am kono wudum komo so say ba wo ya fire with them mo ne aya tete
ai Dr. Zanato de ya okay me adebi o ha me nti ase o Ghana ha sei the fact say me papa headmaster no eno ni che say ye ma me teacher adwuma betimi aye
no I'm not saying that to another also
because they can't just say Dr. Zanato Rollins without making reference to what who her father is.
Oh, if you are so here.
Ashansu dey here. Yeah. But in some cases we should not base on that.
No, we are so nara we see no hoye.
Sir, and no was here ye
na say wetum we sua defense wom hospitality bibia wo but na Ghana fo the guests and postures of her na until the way mess me penasama I mresebe go phone na shuafa is abaka shuafa that's why I'm counting them winna aye bia me penasam and I just imagine we meet him there and show me ya need to buy
okay oh well need to buy there
because as we make say somebody there on trend that fiso sana waka se ne pasedo
oh there be what 24/7
yes tell me bia on and into na mo to me penasa but you am say go fi bia na you oya ashafu bi mo ha hia
ya to abampo se emu am bi edu campaign no meba
MPB
na me kan nyina ne se
MPB o ha you can share on baby you scout mam ami mokoto na aden oya ami papa ewuraje ankopa mo ha na mo na asuma nkofo di nechi abia ona bro family meeting ma 20 Ghana I'm say hey Aye da men na me say abaja so na bro from say abaji so na bro from na photo bi na me say we were abana wait na ho na service physical culture ami metena ha ende Moses meyi mama asha se mo ba Champions League go me say shemi obol sikanala other ban ni ami me fa eti ehu na bi o ma it's like an insult but on hiaza ekoni bia do nyim there awo should be ekoni bia butuma abo na zi ana obaka wodo ena ewe suafo bi wo ha na so bi di suafo kɔ wa ba me se bugoyin kɔ na so di bi me score the phone that he had delete. I'd better say he had delete.
Me asema make and say yebemo obi ministerial position yebemo obi any public officer on hold here.
Right.
Yenhwe ni chronic credentials, yenhwe the records, yenhwe ni ma oye.
She have it.
If she has it, then we base on that and we give it to the her. Ne mo mama me nka say na ne papa na ti NDC na ne papa na say na ne mama na kofa we ba say na fa hin na kosi hin. Eno de is not important. It is not important. It's not important. Ne papa ye no. And the same thing no ye. Ne papa be president. Why is she not a president? So ne ka say ne papa be president and go ofi ade so. Ye fa ni ni ade so ye president.
Yeah, potential vice president no no.
Let us give people president credentials based on what they can do, based on what they have portrayed. The fact that John Ajekun Kufuor and now Michael ESSIEN, ESSIEN, I'm Miss ESSIEN, no, and no chance to me abobo.
I went to my etia. It's now when somebody say it's Janetta Mabadem Yara Chaba or Kenny to Muslim American was ne papa Baham is ordered to Muka. About Wesley Girls High School. Actually, our mama went na my former first better pow. Sir, helicopter so this for me. No sound, no. Baby, me only see why Wesley Girls School were parking on them. I was bread. So I before better pow. Naturally, we must be here for so. Well, but for now, continue. But you want to have about 6 and 10. I come to them.
Yes, your money graduation as well. Helicopter.
Oh, I don't know graduation.
And in fact, I'm found. This now helicopter.
First president, Ghana president, first jet in the back. Well, Buffett, I could feel one more. Hey,
Junior helicopter.
I'm planning to do you.
Sure, him they do people.
The
Ghanaian publisher.
Hey, they mean man. Okay, co-publisher.
Ghanaian publisher.
They're not 30.
Sam Jonah drags Nigeria to international arbitration over $500 million Abuja land disputes. Na Chancellor of the University of Capecoast, Sam Jonah. Onuna ode Nigeria. I can say Nigeria, the whole country, I don't know. But or the Nigeria, ako arbitration courts. Esan asase hun sensembia. Sika da so near $500 million. We need details no, but very sure details nam dia premo. It mean kasa ampa ho bebre. Ato commissions Badla Barracks applauds unique development company. Na finance minister and the wapa could be a barrack for and my friends say Badla Barracks ano cocoa bill will hurt farmers. NPP warns Mahama nti NPP amoni ko so e the warning e call ama President John Dramani Mahama say cocoa bill for na wade aba no e de or how oyene kese pa beba cocoa farmers no eso emeni krabia na betwe. Archbishop on Galamsey pray for Ghana's water bodies and lands. Nti Archbishop Duncan Williams say yambom paye emma Ghana yensu ni ye insa sini ade sasemi and the last time we can do Facebook and can call for Baba Chimari me asema mi bisa ya ne say Ghana ye wo how bebre na ye dem pai bosto ano ebe ya na all they had to do was just bring their views. Some people wanted to beat me them I didn't see how dare me tell me Baba can Yankopon asem in this situation. But Archbishop Duncan Williams say Bompaye concerning Galamsey. What do you think? Member of Parliament rallies support for coca and the Marshal Bedra Phobi so Edward support Aquakota coca echi send a baby me a succeed wound to me as NPP Ashanti Regional Chairman. Okay. Tenunso ne nsɛm so a ekoso ewo the Ghanaian publisher. Mario Mapon.
Herald, home page, I am hard or what double boom. 3,000 star. You're quite in came able to me. Aha, and couldn't tell you out to be in tomb, was see, $1 million, bribe, now will whom, what I bought, or yen paying far, would you, or ya amayo kum, a beauty here, and now you know, here's all by now, chin, no more dealer, NDC, MPP, NDC, only now, when isn't I hate to show, until it was a bribe be a tumna aquado, until Uguda autumn away and she a tumna alpha home. Papa, Achraba, or ya. Sadam no some summer I want to know where yin abe fibim so wontum yin odo ha de ho sisiara oya former age no so akafa assembly to my bada oya desidefo obohu do obi face oya 107 million Ghana cedis no so wotum o chere de oya nsami bia no so wotum o de him oya masloko to chere asamnara we wu onwi na sese wotum do to emika US bribery conviction raise questions over nti no so otuma wo ha orisi him papa wo ho nti no so wo kyerensema Ghana dum so no nsam yara na no so so oda wotum da wo ye aye plant foforo be no so mpanyfo be sika wotum wo je nko ntabe wotum wo je no so otuma rekodo de bia je Ghana story so otuma de him papa gold board de bia golda no board ba de bia golda no board ba no so Herald oda aye ka tene nti enkoto ka ta no that means something na pi tumwo.
The National Voice and so the NSMB aba na MPP amanyoko no nsama omo ka se new cocoa bill no emwa ekuafo no na ebeha wo mo no na omo kyerem se ema omampanyin John Dramani Mahama ma ne mfa ne signature no emfa ensign paper no so ebe kyerɛ se yaje bill no atum nemom no ontwe ensensen. ECOWAS holds 3-day seminar in Ghana to combat anti-competitive practices. Nti ECOWAS in painful so ababe holdi amode na miensa bi esi ho mo holdi seminar ama Ghana fo nyina wa betimi akobi no wei ebeboa ama bibi friend say anti competitive practices bi ekos wo Ghana ha say no ebetimi aso no details no ewo the National Voice. MP praises Asanteman Caucus commitment to NPP. Nti wenso so Coca any NPP amanyoko no ensensem. $7 million cocaine bomb busted at Tema Harbor. 900 parcels hidden in Gari sacks. Gari. It's a mobile ya yentimi po exporting Gari from Ghana. Why? The National Voice say cocaine. Cocaine ya fortune ya and na chese nkofo bi o madwensa nko de fa Tema port na o de akọ other places. Na sese no ensaso mu police for asom na cocaine no hwa ne dodo na kan ya sika edaso no $7 million and sika edasa kokon o match mo so say mo parcel no so mo ti mo package ni fefe in a different way de bia mo package in a particular way ti de bia ya chim crow focus ni
what the crowd that you interview and say we can be lazy or we go call we for last one na adu so guni yema o you for good bye sharp okosama
and no na chese nkofo yin de omo de she Gari bag bu
ade bebe ba ba chu
ezi bi mu kwa ye bidie ebru sack no mo de ahye
the echo Mankesima, sorry to cut you. Mankesim police station was in first case utumo yenu ya demo offer fra him you to me came to me.
Okay.
Utan here wo Mankesim kwebu wo nechi. The mo tomu pani. Sana we. No abo wa de salite party time what no jegu tipa can. No tan here go. Aba Sunday ma ahwena ko na ko chere stop amide bia am kede egwezi lezi antuma nko fiba mkira mama oya 10,000 Ghana cedis ade we sikara mama fa mama mama nti mesa bere isu ko akaka
sometimes na police for mo gina ko ho no ebi mu ye adwuma ho nyame ani no kwa ni say ebi mu ye adwuma
yeah
ebi mu no so the 5 cedis je na Na what was it? My name is Obina Kan of your house, and so I don't remember baby. I'm but say on as a police ni stop most of the time, and you 5 students in stop. Ebiana SMBS warning on person who answer and withdraw, and as so many intel be on person when you risk a search our cars in the movie Mansana, a cars next to it's most of the time, saying your 5 cities, and I say 5 cities for no, or my job within the doing, and say no, Ujino Mokra, Ujina Kasi Krana, or one person Bejana. No, but a career does name me who came for papa. You am I answer?
Ya kwa name za ko kijina wo ya ko no kaka no za awo enyimi de sisi ya wa eji edwuma ba. What minister took the 1 million bribe? Nti anwala wonfa ai wa ya adi.
O just was say ayehu.
Na mi so buto aba nche wo la afana ya wa atalibi. Nti na mi se bitu eje la afana hinare. Ano butum na wa kweyimti papa ya twan hu la wa woda nti ya twan na efetum na ejijuma ma akweyim papa nti papa eji debt restrict de dia debt restriction wo restrict ye hu no restrict but nti sisi ara wo ko hona yimi risk papa na otumbo ho 2027 2023 ndu ho sumpo on the sam na otumbo da ba IBA na wodra mensam na etum na abedegwa ze bomoda kwatokrata no na efi tum na kenkan wo kenkana za yetun sebu wa krata no do yin de aye busia kantaka busia kantaka busia yo wo so magana fun ya yuko da obwe ma usie
ye no ko bi
yina ko bi o mi dem.
Yes, me na me representative for the family in Coastaltv. But you pon a obi amfa ne nsa body emra.
Awo ma na baja.
Me jije nsa body e. Obi amfa ne de emra. Na oma assembly because the word new center pesa me boso. O say government cancels 1800 projects, delays 800 projects, delays 2000 more. Roads, schools, hospitals, water, electricity affected. I don't know what is happening over here. The new center and a diaba. The new center and a diaba. I need to get the details on this one. Now, no pencil so ma sha. Me phone ukwa ye do. Obi anfa wafko number. Enra Ghana for ball match. Obi an report one.
Sikeni.
What do you mean by sikeni? What do you mean sikeni shemu?
Sikeni man pe you.
Sikeni
Obofo. Nsabekedi. Osafo ho na sikeni de so.
I'm not here when you said this so. I'm not on before her. Minka ho.
Mele sikeni.
Oh, social distance na da ha no.
Sikeni so basa here Coastaltv. Sikeni sa. Sikeni ho no sa. Ntama
I mean what is going on?
Yes, Asha boy na wo banara. Asha supporters our park on that. Ghana for how much e be no said the money should be about just a flash. Na mo hwe park no do na pa. Ghana for wo.
That park and there is always empty. Enye nkwa na ba be empty. This say be a host nation e kwa akoba na nkrofo but that park is always empty.
Enye news. Blaster.
Anka nkrofo be free Ghana ha say akọ me away.
Money no day in.
Timunye sika ninti. No problem.
Yes, you were work at be kwa ya you know kube. But ne bele bay. Kube. Papa, kichiro yo ai. Kube ne bele bay. Mobile ba kani ya. Wo work at bu so e ko so pen bi so je so tan. This work up ni biara. Abente be hwe de sika. Wo de FIBA na de wo de ma na wo sha on kasa. Swapping or swapping, Mumbo Biani Zeno, or swapping, not a woody man, Namanto Mazanano, Muko share. Ej, how is Kenny Dammy? 1 year you cry no ye man sharp. Or shall most turn about Sobagana, my hiety, or one or about Sobagana. Hey, and say, do there. Football, Akafabi, other term number house, football near you. Football ni ye wa to send there. Ami ma come down me je.
Mr. Omar, wo de fa wo de disi ho. Ba ne yesi e
say. Sika enyim.
Enra ye ball WAFCON.
What are you yefi?
Ghana Black Queens versus Malawi. Omo share 2 de.
2-1 bia. 2-1.
2-1. Yemfi mo. Ya ne kodi wa match say Thursday or say.
How you know? You be fear.
Only one e be fear. 13th August your match was the film.
If you American and
match 2-1 and they are hosting.
If you are there his anchor. If you them lie you have to be life.
Or it don't matter. What matters is that we are still in the game. And what matters is that you will support us. I don't know why you are not support us. No problem.
No money.
No money scanning. No problem. Oma.
Huh?
And then you can't see any intense no be doing komono.
Correct for you.
So we fear.
Good.
Into no. Minim some mo be show bibi fufro na. Masses ya switch seat to say. Whatever happens, but it has to fall within my time.
Answer no yeah na you remember. Dan ho na be dan. Nti enda you remember papa babaza me enda you remember. Na mom dem afre no you me so oyama so me chanchan but me mbo say say dem so boy ya so don you me si gen.
After my baby na me.
Abi anche you me.
Edumbe.
You mean Antida?
I don't bear.
Oh, woman is do. I young camera.
We sell gift shop, a place you can rely on. You call on us and we'll deliver. Thank you.
National Petroleum Authority say, "Mawo bambo hu hia ukane. Ain't no, stay back and stay safe." National Petroleum Authority ebo bibia kokose se fuel tank enya akwanhia na edane a menko ho nkwaye wadwen se okosesa petrol ana fango no na afin so menye wadwen se wo ben fuel tank enya akwanhia ne ho akwa akodwetwa videos ana pictures na petrol ana fango wo hwen so ohua ko wo mu a enye sunsun aso bone e wo apomeden sem so fango so e ho ahometinti no enfom so okitu ebi ebetumi amaja tom amana gise ewom eba ne saa nipa dodo timi femu hihye ehwe mo nkwa emeja pade dodo na nso esei eno nti memfa won nkwa nto chacha enye saa obenu ho nkwa na nyina se wo se fuo tanka bi enya akwanhia na adane amafango no ebugu mpa hwa na wa aman ho da. Stay back and stay safe. Emomo no aya fredum je jumayefo ana posifo no mo mehwe nso ano wutumi nso efre National Petroleum Authority ewo 0302 550 380 kaise wonkwa wo hoi ehu hia bebre esensa afango no kokoboi National Petroleum Authority ene de bro.
ne atia ne say me ne nwurabafo ahofefo mienu bi ofie ha say ye to Coastal TV yenka bi nhemu ene ehu so omaba nti maybe so omo ekwan so na omo ache nipa ko omo ye ne nti a omo ha say nti no nwurabafo me ni mudi nti no jese mo amobɔ mudi me wo ba ko ti ase na ba ko so ti ase two of the couple of the pair of them nti no one be ko first one be introduce no first for sure introduce wo mama na voice no so mama twa kakra mrem me te won chan pa apartment hwe mama twa kakra emrem aha me ti o
okay mizinzi Eugenia Ablodi P or maybe level 300 Timoko level 400
I was schooler
University of Capecoast See Communication Studies na museum Rebellion internship or Coastaltv Academician course American is basically about media and editing and those things. Not only media, PR, public relations.
Oh, yeah, very. PR, oh, yeah, very.
It's about the image of companies. One what shema the image of the company to the audience is good. It's BB Asemisa. They know how to handle how the information go out to the audience and keep the company's image good.
Okay. Welcome, government here say but me fan sir. And a dem be.
And advertising. Adverts ni nyoma.
Okay. So how oba be internship on. So some person so the same thing na oba be radio.
Baby, you
Many your kind man just repeat man.
Okay. We're from Joyce Shen.
Okay.
Most them be about media, public relations, event management and event planning.
Okay. Yeah. And then me nkwa mesempa ebusuafo. Enti no mo kasa na mo se mo ba besua bibi na mpacho odafo anim so ye nkwa ne nsapan. Enti no mo ba no edien na mo de baaye. Yanso yebetimi ahwe so na ya kire mu bibi. What do you have? What can you do?
Okay. For me, I'm majoring in journalism. It's already know. I'm watching with school about editing and those things. It's already meaning editing who kakra.
Okay.
It's per se me sharpening. Okay. Now news writing so kakra.
News writing so kakra. Okay. Na dem kakra. Give him kakra now. And one on bia. Okay, it's in kakra na I should endorse kakra. Okay, Joyce. But also the near kakra na every.
Me journalism. Me strategic communication.
Strategic communication.
Yeah, deal with PR, advertising, any digital marketing.
Okay. On your journalism. Yes. But we only say PR, you na journalism na bio. Communication na. Okay. Nti mo 1 month e wo ha say. Already now what you can spend 1 week. It's a catch 3 weeks. Week we free market 2 weeks.
Yeah.
Okay. So far mo ba mo Coastaltv say.
Oh, so far Bibia you okay or has he after you won't say Bibia ni enmity. For me per se Bibia na so me meet me after say my friend say okay by 3 weeks now me meet me who say PR me perfect
Now buy you so dey with me so.
Oh, you okay, for now, you met me any camera works, you know, but I can't pens your question. Your woman can.
Baba, no mind. I never
More
MCR technicians. Can I say?
MCR technicians. Or cut across your dimension. Yeah, she needs your
okay. So far, what's your picture? But and then make post picture be on social media on the picture. Nti say picture no me ti achi a for sure dey try. Enye me na me ye ono a dey try. Okay. Eugenia, also buy your own Coastaltv say.
Okay. Honestly, na me name say like Coastaltv ejuma sa. I knew we were there, but I didn't really know. But maybe I who say mo ye ejuma.
When you be
and I miss ya in Yamakakra so about editing, working in the MCR, and then camera handling so kakra. Okay. Yeah, maybe I for one event. To make who say ya what presenting near the.
I will go and say yes to present it. Into when we are now say okay. Enfane say on anope me say share for your introduction. I say yeah baba yeah internship conversation. I want you to give me an introduction. If you were the host and obey introduce you show.
It should be like within a day.
Internship conversation. To show your friend internship conversation. Okay. The interns in common. Okay. We hear 1 minute, Anna. We hear 1 minute.
Chia na fancy.
Yeah, fancy.
Okay. Okay.
Yanko, let's wait.
It's here for me, Mauna Achi. Welcome to.
Hey! Ajita. I did you fancy if you welcome me. No problem. Into our Coastaltv no. Into by the time I'll be free, how can we be making sure say so I welcome to Nina I'll be free. Be making sure say bet show say ubet na say fancy na okay say true na okay be correct tree and correct fancy. You na yesu yan into my be someone so smooth me baby. I say mobile me into make a fancy. Come on here ye ka fancy na aze but muntu ka fancy ye into no. O say that maka tree ono de mutum maka mubbe say mo maka baby a it's the same thing mo be o someone yana muncha me fancy na ye nyina ye mboa ye hosta enti no Joyce Eshen ene Eugenia Ablodipe yes omo no mo ye new interns in the house CCTU for no ya graduate omo eje omo kwan amo maka omo teachers and say ofie and any new ones in so any omo kwan ne bae omo ne 3 others and we have say na obaye occupied kakra enti no nyame ya adoma echi na ye the 2 others and so beba na mahu omo nim so shi omo town baby a omo ye Coastaltv interns omo ba ho say omo no ba be interview ampacho ti wanim kire wo mo na je omo awawa tum ye no omo ene ye adwuma e wo Coastaltv efie ha say. All right, one question before I go. Okay, what they all say unyamba na unim see ye adwuma sa but now what Coastaltv dancer na wo ba ha say e wo hen fa sa
oh time na me abofan na meti I used to watch cartoons on Coastaltv. It's never name say Coastaltv but all of a sudden na me TV.
Oh yeah. We are active. We are active. Joyce also. Oh, okay.
Because all of a sudden, the answer on Cabio. And the election introduces say, I'm paying for a mama internship or Coastaltv and can name say that's all.
Oh, yeah. That's quite unfortunate.
I'm way TV so but I'm from my grand course. I thought it was different.
Next time I have for Adrian. Next time for so I'm for Adrian courses. For Adrian call next time. All right. And so no, hey, not just like Coastaltv, my childhood memories found. I was on Coastaltv cow. Share. Mama Choba mefa announcement in chom ansana ya sorry morning mix dwumadie no eso. Enti we ye akwanya from rich and tear rubber cry ye de ma eye obi a wo anisuade hunu wo da ye so ukondo na wo pese obesua bibi afa journalism ehu. Nti say radio and say TV journalism no wo pese wonsua news gathering efa social news and a news reports and person want me more news Opesa wonye radio and TV presentations, obetina screen anim and a microphone echi a utimi ye presentation correct one. And also we camera ho adwuma, camera handling, ubetwa pictures, ubetwa videos, video and audio editing. Ni nyina ye bi ha say news writing, so na opesa wonsuya voice over training, voice training and diction. And now opesa wonsuya interview techniques, so na obesi ye interview ye. Digital journalism, social media, abefudie, any media ethics and media law. Opesa wonsuya we nyina na Coastal TV edisa konya no maw. Esanse Coastal TV multimedia productions ye de na wacho mako insia 6 weeks BSc ho a ye de ye intensive radio and TV presentation ama obia na ni beje na obepese obeba besua ye ka ho asemi na no na nyame adom so na se uwie 6 weeks training na ebema wakonya ama waye we internship to send Eugenia and Joyce eyo omode wa hai otimi aye internship e Coastal TV fi ha na se won TV so na bia pese onye radio ye wo other partner radio station to say Darling FM any ebia on beba on board later ye do be ko ho na wakwa akoye wo internship e wo ho na so pese won pick form am pa cho bomodin asa obeba Coastal TV if you say Coastal TV ago fi Morocco Park na so pedu ha na ye wo na befa form e wo front desk say wayira upesa umbisa direction and I hope further inquiry, further information about your program you know but your bomodian say over friend number 0246 731 371 0246 731 371 bomodian say over friend sa number na wonya information bia open Coastal TV multimedia productions essay or more age training the next generation of media professionals. Shane say training ni ebesha ase on the 8th of September and I ebesha training no ase. Shane sumam sir. All right. Na yamfa aseda biemu so aseda first one ankasa no kase no yamfa ma otumfo nyankopon say na dom ne humobro ne pe ama ya hoden ye kasa ye ntwanhwe won so tie me we ntwanhwe obo ye ho ban nko a de yamfa aseda ma no ama ya de morning mix jumedie no ya de ababesum ye tie for ene ya hwefo aseda di hon so enkoma ya boafo National Petroleum Authority NPA Patmo Print Diesel Gift Shop ene Nesto Ventures yada mase papa ye wo ha esanse mukan ye ho nyame ensure mo na oma mo businesses no enkoso kofem se ebeye kese pa as this the one so enkoma me team anopai meni wo mo eye adwuma man indefatigable team and team ameto mo so a sorry na say madam mase papa nti mene Mr. OMAR bin ABDULLAH ene she adwumadie no ase sanso na Thomas Otu Eje na mabone full name sanso mpese wo huni pa meka na wasa meka Eje ya obi aye Eje Thomas Otu Eje sanso na Ben eboye chidom from afar yeda team ni nyina ase anopay me anka sanso ese obi ambo abaso ampacho obo modina na bob trumpets me ame ho ayefe ya min didi yenso ma ya shepe ya uhumi a obeka se ebroche lollipop yi pasho ya frame AFIBA ESSIEN midin enono Eugenia and Joyce mubesha mo boys answer so ana obechi that was just by the way you know ya da obi bia say ohwe anopay morning mix Coastal TV nyame adoma ochina ye will newly improved upgraded version of Coastal TV morning mix ayede bro Tuesdays special but modern say obebuki appointment nyame adoma ochina ebese ehia mo bye bye.